name is Dr. Vimal. I'm a plastic surgeon currently practicing in Hyderabad. So I came for a 5-day training program regarding hair transplantation at Elegance Clinic, Surat, with Dr. Ashutosh Shah sir. It's an amazing course for a person who has no idea about the new techniques or the precision and fineness of the techniques regarding hair transplantation. It's not about transplantation alone, but as a whole, you'll know more about how to handle a hair fall, or what are the cases where we can convert the patient to a hair transplant surgery, and what are the indications and when you can avoid a hair transplant in case the good results or outcomes not to be expected. So it's a comprehensive course, and also you get a good hands-on exposure where it gives a lot of confidence to you so that you can individually perform your hair transplant. Overall, it's an amazing experience. The staff is very friendly, and if you are a person who is looking to start for a clinic, I think this is the best place where you'll get an overall idea about the surgical part, non-surgical part, administrative part, and how the staff works, or what are the other things what you can implement in your clinic. Thank you very much.